Onward Headhunting is the source for elite M&A, operations, and finance executive talent exclusively for private equity funds and their high-growth portfolio companies. When top-tier leadership seems impossible to find, Onward delivers with speed and accuracy. This is retained search built to shape the future of your most important assets. Learn more on LinkedIn or visit onwardheadhunting.com to start the conversation. And let's move your most critical executive searches onward.
This is Scott Becker with the Becker Business Podcast, the Becker Private Equity Podcast. Today's discussion, our other episodes today talk about AI and some other issues. This discussion today talks about the private equity fund stocks. And so the headline here, and maybe the story of the podcast, the title of the podcast is Private Equity Funds Getting Hammered. So here's the deal. The three big PE funds that we follow are Blackstone, KKR, and Apollo. And here's what's going on with these three. And this is really a story of people not getting exits done and fundraising getting tougher. Blackstone's down almost 3% year to date, and that's performing the best of the big three. KKR is down almost 9% year to date and not performing so well. And finally, Apollo Global Management, which has been a stalwart fund, just a really successful fund, it's down 20% year to date and really, really struggling. So those are what's going on here. And really what's driving this is, you know, there's a couple main things driving it. The assets under management are not increasing like they'd like them to, but more important is the key stat. The key stat showed that there's 30,000 investments by private equity funds that are awfully ripe that they've been holding onto, that they're waiting to get to market. And with interest rates high, the buy-sell environment not great, having a hard time selling those. So that's what we're seeing there in the PE fund environment. PE funds getting clobbered. That remains the case. Thank you for listening to the Becker Business Podcast, the Becker Private Equity Podcast. Thank you very, very much.